Have you ever noticed that when you have a good hair day, the rest of your day just flows better? You literally just feel better. People are more friendly to you. Confidence is just oozing out of you. You're literally a happier person because of your hair. But how about a bad hair day? It's like a dark cloud is following you around, right? You start the day by feeling crappy because your hair doesn't look like it's supposed to. It looked so good yesterday. Why does it look this bad today? Well, if you want to say goodbye to bad hair days, stick around because I'm going to tell you how to get rid of those for good. The first thing you should do is throw away your cotton pillowcase and replace it with a silk pillowcase. Silk is just a lot easier on the hair. It's a lot softer. It helps avoid it getting tangled or frizzy, and it even helps avoid breakage. So if you guys have thin hair, it's getting thinner by the minute the more you sleep on that cotton pillowcase. I switched to silk pillowcases years ago, and honestly, I can never go back. They're so comfortable, extremely comfortable. So I sleep like a baby, and they help maintain my hairstyle. Plus, it's actually better for your skin. And it also means that I don't have to spend a lot of time in the morning restyling it, which is wild. Like, I wake up and my hair already looks pretty damn good. By the way, guys, it's like 20 bucks on Amazon. All right, I'm not saying that just because it sounds so fancy because it's silk, right? It's 20 bucks. I'm gonna leave some options below if you wanna go and check it out. But once you go to the silk pillowcases, you're never gonna go back to cotton. Trust me. Number two, moving on, we got shampooing way too often. Shampooing is essential, as we all know. Every time you shampoo, you also strip away the natural oils that are in your scalp and your hair. And what happens is, if you're getting rid of them too often, then your hair is gonna look all not too good, right? It's gonna be dry, uneven, maybe even frizzy in some cases. Definitely not how we want it to be. So what I would recommend is start slowing down. You know, maybe go from 7 days a week to 5, and then down to 4, and maybe even 3 or 2 days a week. It's gonna take a few weeks for your hair to get used to it, for your scalp to get used to it, but it will happen and it's going to look so much better. Next up, we got using low quality hairstyling products. See, if you're using products that you're gonna find in the drugstore, then one, they're actually bad for your hair, like actually really bad. And two, your hair will look okay at best when you're using them, but we don't want okay. We don't want okay. We want great hair. So guys, you have to invest a little bit more into high quality products with high quality ingredients that will guarantee that your hair looks as good as it possibly can. Now, the products that you should be using are from Forte series. These are nothing like drugstore products. Everything from the ingredients to the scent and the packaging will be better. But most importantly, the results will be better. If you want incredibly high hold, then the Forte Series Texture Clay Extreme Hold is what you're looking for. There's just nothing like it. It's the highest hold that you could possibly get. If you want height, if you want volume and hold, this is the product that you've been looking for. If you want to style medium to long hair, let's say a style like mine, right? Then what I would suggest, the hairstyling cream. This is what I've been using lately to keep this hairstyle looking good. I start with a couple of sprays of the Forte Series thickening spray, then blow dry my hair and style it with the hair cream. And I really dig in this style right now. It's like a nice mid-length. I'm having fun with it, and I think it's like a more mature gentleman's cut. To me, the thickening spray with the hairstyling cream, it's the perfect combo. The thickening spray adds volume, instant thickness to flat, boring hair, and the cream adds like a nice natural shine, as you can see, and some hold without making your hair super stiff. You can see that it's still very much flexible. And right now, Forte Series is having the brand's only special of the year. Black Friday started early, and you're about to get the best men's hair products in the market for an amazing price. All you have to do is hit that first link in the description below and get shopping. You guys know how hard I work to bring you the best products possible, and I guarantee it, guys. I guarantee you're not gonna be disappointed if you give these a shot. It's forteseries.com. It's that first link in the description of this video. The next reason why you have bad hair days is because you're not using a blow dryer properly. I know that it might seem like too much work. I don't know why men just have this thing. It's like, I don't really want to use a blow dryer, bro. I'm a man. I don't do that. Well, you're missing out, bro. You're at 7, you could be a 10 if you use the blow dryer. That towel drying or air drying is not the way to go. Your hair is not gonna look better that way. You can't shape your hair by towel drying. It doesn't work that way. Blow drying is gonna help you style your hair better than any other form of drying. And not only that, but the longer your hair stays wet, the higher the amount of damage to your hair, because it's actually really fragile when it's wet. So when you run your fingers through your wet hair, for example, you might see that there's a lot of breakage, and that's because it's wet, so it's going to pull more and it causes breakage. If you don't have a blow dryer yet, yes, we just launched one for Forte Series. It's in the link below. Go check it out. And if you don't want to get the Forte Series one, completely fine. doesn't matter, get a blow dryer. You're gonna need one and your hairstyle will look so much better. You guys can thank me later. Let's move on to the next tip here, and it might be a little uncomfortable, but I'm gonna say it. You might have the wrong barber, my guy. That's just how it works. Look, sometimes we go get a haircut and the guy does a decent job, and then you go back the next time and he does a worse job, and then the next time it's even worse. Like, bro, what's going on? I thought we were homies. I thought we had a thing going here, but I'm gonna have to break up with you. Break up with your barber. Maybe you're not communicating well with your barber, so bring photos, bring videos. If he still is messing up, time to go. Start a new relationship with a new barber. I know it's annoying. Try Yelp, try Googling things. You have to go and check it out and see if it's any good. It's super awkward when you get the haircut for the first time with a new guy, but it's gonna be worth it. Because at the end of the day, the haircut is the base to any hairstyle. If your haircut is not good, you can get the best products in the world. You can do everything. Shower in cold water, sleep in a silk pillowcase, use Forte Series product. If your haircut sucks, I'm sorry. You need a new barber. And trust me, once you find the right person for the job, it's going to drastically improve your hair game. Guys, check out forteseries.com. It's that first link below. And of course, you can see more hair videos right here. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you again soon.